What's up, YouTube? What's going on? What is up? What is going on? Everybody, the YouTube community, and the universe and the world. Today I'm just shooting a quick video tutorial, not on this. This is a silly stick trick. I didn't always know stick tricks, but I just got I was just trying to think of some new things to work on other than just like, rudimentary stuff or just practice a certain rhythm or a lick or a groove or chop, anything like that. I'm not a marching drummer. Much respect to the marching drummers, for sure. I've always been a drum set player, but if you think about it, without marching drummers and without rudiments and stuff like that, really there wouldn't be not necessarily no rhythms, but maybe new ideas, new things to conceptualize without those rudiments. So I just want to say, much respect to all the marching drummers out there. I'm not hating on you guys. I know I made a video recently, and I didn't want anybody to think that I was, hating or bashing on the marching drummers, because I'm not. I was saying how, Buddy Rich is just a marching drummer, and how he's a big band drummer and all that. And I'm obviously, look, there's so many great drummers in the world. I shouldn't single any one drummer out, but I just want to put that out there, that I love, like, really all great drummers. He's just one of my favorites because of his idiosyncratic, Buddy Rich is an idiosyncratic drum dynamo. He's a guru. He's a legend. He's a pioneer of virtuosic rhythm wizard. You could say that about a lot of drummers, jazz drummers in particular, I guess from the 50s and so on. So yeah, let's just say I wanted to state that just to clarify. Anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4. 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4. 2 and 3 4 7 and 7 8 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 4 2 2. 5 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 6 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 7 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 8 and 2 and 3 and 4. 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 2 and 3. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. 16th notes. Triplets. Triple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 5 6 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 5 6 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 5 6 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 5 6 and 32nd notes. Triplets. Triplets. 32nd notes. Triplets. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 6 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 6 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 6 and 4 and 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 2 2 3 5 6 7 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 4 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 6 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 7 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 8 and 4 and 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 3 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 4 2 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 2 3 4 2 2 3 4 1 2 1 and 2 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8.